Volume analysis is a critical component for traders seeking to gain insight into market sentiment and potential price movements. One powerful and visually intuitive tool that enhances this type of analysis is xdecow's Heatmap Volume Indicator on TradingView. This indicator provides traders with a clear visual representation of how current trading volume compares against historical averages, specifically leveraging statistical analysis through standard deviations. By categorizing volume intensity into distinct zones, extra high, high, medium, normal, and low, it allows traders to instantly gauge the significance of trading volume at any given moment. These categories are visually distinguished by a customizable color-coded heat map, making it easy to spot unusual market activity quickly. At the heart of the indicator is the comparison of real-time volume to a moving average, which the user can set based on their individual trading needs. When current volume significantly diverges from this average, the indicator flags it clearly. For example, volumes categorized as extra high could signal potential institutional participation, powerful breakouts, or pivotal turning points, providing a trader with actionable intelligence to adjust their strategy accordingly. Another significant feature of the Heatmap Volume Indicator is its customization capabilities. Traders can choose between a pure heatmap mode, which bases color solely on the intensity of the volume, or a directional mode, where colors also reflect the direction of the price movement, adding another layer of analytical insight. This dual approach enables traders to quickly interpret not only volume strength, but also bullish or bearish momentum. The built-in alert functionality significantly enhances the utility of the indicator. Traders can configure alerts for specific volume categories, such as extra high or high, enabling proactive monitoring and timely action, even without continuous observation of the charts. This feature is particularly valuable for traders managing multiple assets or those who prefer automated alerts to highlight critical market moments. In essence, the Heatmap Volume Indicator transforms raw volume data into a strategic advantage. By clearly presenting critical volume information, it assists traders in making more informed decisions, improves their response to market events, and helps pinpoint precise trading opportunities. Whether your trading style focuses on short-term intraday movements or longer-term analysis, this versatile indicator is a valuable asset to incorporate into your market toolkit.